Hello, kids! Are you ready to learn? Today we will learn body parts. Let's go! This is my face. Say with me, face. Touch your face. Head. This is my head. Say it with me. Head. Hair. This is my hair. Touch your hair. Eyes. These are my eyes. Can you say? Eyes. Ears. These are my ears. We use them to hear. Nose. This is my nose. Touch your nose. Cheeks. Cheeks. These are my cheeks. Touch your cheeks. Mouth. This is my mouth. We use it to eat and talk. Teeth. Teeth. These my teeth. Show your teeth. Say teeth. Tongue. This is my tongue. Can you stick out your tongue too? Great job, friends! See you in part 2. We will learn more. Wait for me. See you soon.